Well, happy Slingshot rainy day Saturday. Man, it's been raining all day here in Georgia. It's not really cold, it's cool, feels good. Trying to keep the Slingshot dry, but it ain't working. We got a target 150 feet. Hopefully you can hear it. And the one dangling right there, which is a wooden Slingshot. Probably see that one. Oh. Ooh. These bands, man. The pouch is getting dry. Took two to get that one. But that is a long ways away. Now let's get this wooden Slingshot dangling in the tree. Ooh, yeah. All right, see if we can't get this one. I think you can see it. It'll make a racket when we hit it. That wasn't much of a racket. Anyway, hope y'all are having a great Saturday and just enjoying this beautiful rainy day. It's awesome. We needed the rain. Anyway, I think I'm gonna go up and have some victuals. Rock on.